coming with that Mr. Rogers flow.
Neighbors.
Stepping in the grow, watch the whole room glow. Skunk Afghani veg game starting to explode. Stacking up nodes like they shifting into beast mode. Canopy dancing like it's running the show. Got the viewers reading trichomes like they reading the rainbow glow.
Yeah, they're taking off quick, roots locked in tight, stretching toward the LEDs like they're chasing the light. Little green rockets in a common room scene, turning morning coffee vibes into chlorophyll dreams.
Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Jacob Cultivates. Thank you all for being here with me. And today we're going to be talking about these beautiful Skunk Afghanis. They're pretty much getting ready to leave seedling stage. So things are getting really exciting here. They are photoperiod. So we're going to have males and females. And we're going to be running pollination projects with these babies right here. Oh yeah. That's not all we have going on, folks. I'm sure some of you are showing up wondering about the harvest. Well, that's going to be in the next video, so stick around for that. We're going to talk lots about the upcoming harvest. One thing I will tell you guys real quick as a little spoiler, the harvest is getting pushed a little bit further than I anticipated. I thought she was pretty much ready, but we got down and took a look at those trichomes and realized she needs about another week. So there is going to be more content coming regarding the 1989 behind me and her upcoming harvest. But we're not there yet, folks. We are almost there, right at the finish line. And it's hard for Jacob Cultivates to wait because I'm excited. I'm just as excited as you guys and ladies are. But we got to slow down. What do we have going on? Let's go ahead and pull one of these beauties right out. As we can see, seedlings still, but they're right at that stage where they're pretty much leaving seedling stage. I'm going to let these go another node or two, and then I'm going to top them, which, if anyone doesn't know what topping is, I'll explain that in the video update when I do it. I'm someone who likes to top early, as to get a nice low profile for the plant, the branch structure. We want it low that Jacob Cultivates. That's how we want to do it. So we got lots of plans coming up for these girls. Now, the main topic of this video with the Skunk Afghanis is their lineage and whether or not Jacob Cultivates is holding the real deal. Like, are these really Skunk Afghanis? True Skunk Afghani? Are the skunk number ones that I'm getting ready to do after these really skunk number ones? Are these legitimate? Right? It's a legitimate question because cannabis cultivators know that there are some questionable genetics floating around out there. So it's very important as cannabis cultivators that we source our information. I have had a comment or two on one of my videos where somebody was kind of questioning the lineage a little bit. Like, yeah, kind of heard that before, that someone had some Skunk Afghani. I get it. And the person who put the comment, I don't remember offhand who they were, but I do remember they weren't rude about it. They were just like, are you sure that's the real deal? And I'm like, yeah, I'm sure. But I'm also sure that whoever commented is probably not the only person that's wondering, is this legit Skunk Afghani? So I thought about how I'm going to do this. and sourcing where I get the seeds from. And I decided that I'm just going to source my information. I hope I'm not losing anybody yet. If you're curious about these genetics, this is very important. So I can't advertise on here. The YouTube lords have said no. Jacob Cultivates is not allowed to do that. And I'm like, well, I'm in their house. I got to play by their rules and everything. I'm pretty sure, though, that the YouTube lords are in agreement about one thing, that when it comes to scientific research, it's important to source our information. So that's what we're doing here today at Jacob Cultivates, ladies and gentlemen. We're sourcing the information for these here Skunk Afghanis. Now, in doing so, this is going to show you guys where to get the seeds. That's neither here nor there and has nothing to do with Jacob Cultivates. That just has to do with you and your ability to click links and follow the yellow brick road. Okay? So, what I'm about to do now is have some things pop up on the screen that are going to be the source of the information for these Skunk Afghanis that I am growing. So we're looking at some High Times magazine stuff right here, what I have on the screen. These are featured breeders, ladies and gentlemen. So, number 96. That should be up on the screen right now. I'm also posting the link. And that's also going to be in the description. The link to that High Times post, which shows you number 96 as the Skunk Afghani. That's the cultivar that Jacob Cultivates is growing. And if you hover over top of it, it shows the breeder's name, and it also gives a link to his Facebook business page for his seeds. So, I'm just letting you guys know in my sourcing that it'll lead you to where to get those seeds. But this is not advertising. This is just sourcing my information so that all of you can have the faith and the confidence to know that Jacob Cultivates is working with the goods over here. Some true OG Skunk Afghani. What? Oh, yeah. What else? One last thing in my sourcing here. If there's any confusions while you're taking a look at this stuff and you need a little bit more further information about the sourcing, my email is in my channel description. So you can hit up your boy Jacob Cultivates directly and ask me questions about the sourcing and sourcing only. Don't ask me in the comments, how do I get these seeds? Who do I go to? What's the company? Sourcing. Go to the source, man. I just gave it to you. I hope that's abundantly crystal clear that Jacob Cultivates did not just advertise anything. Oh, yeah. Well, I think that's pretty much going to do it for this video. Obviously, this is not a very technical video. We're not getting deep with it. What's going on with the plants. This is just a sourcing video. We're just sourcing our genetics here so that you can all see that what I'm growing is legit. I know that's very important to the viewers, and it shows, because if it wasn't important, you guys wouldn't be hitting me up in the comments like, Jacob Cultivates, are you sure, brother? Are you sure you got what you think you got? Yeah, guys, I'm sure. So I hope that me sourcing my information for this Skunk Afghani, as well as the rest of my seed collection, my seed bank that I'm growing from, it's all from the same breeder. So, yeah, awesome dude, very nice man. Super cool. You can hit him up on his Facebook. If you're interested in those seeds, not advertising, just saying, like, if you're like, wow, I got to get these. He's a cool dude. Very pleasant to talk to. So, Jacob cultivates. We got you covered over here. Now I'm starting to just ramble. So, we're going to go ahead and call this the end of the video. This isn't my standard format. I wasn't getting down deep and talking technicals and stuff. So, a little bit outside of my norm, but very important update nonetheless. Yeah, I hope this quelled some people's suspicions and everything. And like I said, my email is in my channel description. Any questions, anything like that, you know what to do. So let me stop rambling and repeating myself. And I know why you're here. Oh, yes. Jacob Cultivates knows why you're here. You are.
Yeah, you're learning while we're burning on Jacob Cultivates.